as we know that we are doing chapter 7 p block elements in chemistry. In that we have to study about the group 15, group 16, 17 and 18, but till now we have done group 15, 16 only. So I am here to explain the structure of group 15 and its components. So group 15 is also known as nicogen, group 16 is known as chalcogen, group 17 is known as halogen, and group 18 is known as noble gases, which are also known as inert gases. So nicogen group 15 it is known as, and group 15 is the nitrogen family, and group 16 is the oxygen family. So here group 15 nitrogen, phosphorus, group 16 oxygen and sulfur. So symbol of nitrogen we represented N, P phosphorus, O oxygen and S sulfur. Here N2, here the structure of N2 is in this way. Triple bond is there and 1.09 pm. NH3 in between 1 lone pair and 3 hydrogen. But the angle is here 107.8 degree. And here HNO3 where its structure is in this way, and between 2O 130 degree angle is there, and between this one 102 96 pm 140.6 pm 121 pm. These all values we have to learn. And in phosphorus we can see that pH3, P 1 lone pair and 3 H are there, and here also degree and other pm is there. PCl3, P again 1 lone pair, 3 chlorine. Then PCl5, P1Cl5. In this you can observe that two there are lone pair and 3. This shape is, as in previous video sir have taught, that this is the trigonal shape. What is this trigonal shape? But if in trigonal shape one lone pair is there, then it is called pyramidal. But if two it is there, then we have to join before pyramidal by pyramidal. So this shape is trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal is this shape. Trigonal this because it is in trigonal shape, and bipyramidal is this because two lone pair of chlorine. So here the third is second group 16 and oxygen. So oxygen is in this way structure, and O3 ozone. So these both are interrelated with each other. And here in sulfur you can see that, as here in sulfur H2SO4. What is H2SO4? H2SO4 is a sulfuric acid, and sulfuric acid is the king of all acids. So here the structure of sulfuric acid is in this way, and SO2, this and this one both are interrelated with each other again. This is the main point in sulfuric acid. I hope you have understand it, and thank you. This is the table of nitrogen. This is the table of phosphorus. This is the table of oxygen. And this is at last the table of sulfur. Good morning everyone. My name is Anushka Thakur from class 12th. As you know that the today's topic is hybridization. So hybridization means atomic orbital of same shell or nearly same energy enthalpy intermixing of two orbital to give new orbital of exactly same energy. So this was introduced by Linus Pauling 1931, and the characteristics of hybridization are: number of hybridization is equal to the number of intermixing at orbital, like S dash P dash is equal to 1. Second characteristic is it always equivalent in energy as well as in shape. The third characteristic is it tell us about the geometry of molecule. Geometry means linear, trigonal, tetrahedral, triangle, bipyramidal, octahedral, pentagonal or bipyramidal. Fourth characteristic is half-filled means bond pair, fully filled lone pair, empty orbitals, coordination bonds show hybridization. The fifth characteristic is hybrid orbital are named from their parent orbital, and the last characteristic is concept of hybridization is for sigma bond but not for pi bond. As the types of hybridization is sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization. So I have written VSPER theory. This theory is based on the electron and electron pair repulsion. VSPER stands for valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. So here the table I have made, number of electrons, LP stands for lone pair and BP stands for bond pair. The third is bond angle, fourth geometry shape, fifth is examples with structure. So number of electron 2. So in that lone pair 0, bond pair is 2. Bond angle is 180 degree. Geometry or shape is both are same. Linear. Linear means it is in line. So in this lone pair is nowhere and the bond pair 2. 2 Cl are there. As B is Cl2, B is 1, BE is 1 and Cl2. So 2 I have drawn here. And the other examples of it is MgCl2 and CO2. The number of electrons third 3. Lone pair 0, bond pair 3. Bond angle is 120 degree and geometry shape is trigonal. Trigonal is in triangle shape. In this no lone pair it is and bond pair 3. BF3 in which B is inside and F is 3. F and third F. AlCl3 is the other example of it. 4 number of electrons, lone pair 0, bond pair 4, 109.5 degree bond angle and tetrahedral in shape. So you can see here 4 tetrahedral. CH4, SiH4, SiF4, NH4 positive. The 5 is lone pair is 2, bond pair is 3, 120 degree, 90 degree, trigonal bipyramidal as in shape or a geometry. So you can see here P F5. So P we have written in between. F3. You can draw it in this way also. As you can see here, you can draw it in this way also. But the thing is that the triangle should be in shape. Here I have drawn in means triangle shape in this way and here in this way. So P F5 and SbCl5. 6 lone pair 2, bond pair 4 and 90 degree bond angle octahedral. Octahedral. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So SF6 and TEF6. 7th lone pair 2, bond pair 5, 90 degree and 72 degree pentagonal bipyramidal. Pentagonal means 5 fluorine it is having, and pyramidal whenever there is one lone pair then it is pyramidal. If two lone pair are there, you can see here F1 and F2, these are the two lone pair, so it in before pyramidal it would be bipyramidal. Thank you.